Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga, and in today's video we're going to be talking about hairstyle. So this is the hairstyle that I've been wearing for quite a while, and I showed you this one in the previous video for my business meeting, and I'm obsessed. I love it so much. It's not flat. I have layers, I know it, but it's so easy. It's going to take you not more than probably, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. I don't know, maybe even 10 minutes. Depends on. I love doing this before, the night before I actually go out. But it's optional for those of you guys that have no time and you wash your hair in the morning. So when you wake up in the morning, you can wash your hair and then follow the routine that I am showing you in this video. In case you're interested in how to get this really simple, really beautiful sort of blowout hairstyle, then please stay tuned and let's get started. Guys, I'm finally done with Move with Nicole Pilates exercises, and I didn't want to do anything crazy. I didn't want to do anything beautiful before my class because it's like a little bit weird. I'm gonna be sweaty, smelly, and whatever. What I do for this really cool blowout, this is gonna be absolutely gorgeous, and it's just gonna be effortless. This is my go-to routine and I really love it. I will show you that my hair looks greasy, oily, whatever. So I'm gonna go and take a shower first. After the shower, I will use some leave-in conditioner. I will do some other treatment for my hair. Mostly, I don't really do much. I do like a conditioner during I wash my hair. And then when I'm out of the shower, I use leave-in conditioner and a little bit of some other serums, not oils. I guess, but with this routine, you can actually do some oils down to your hair ends. And I will show you what I do a little bit later, but right now I'm just taking a shower and I'm leaving my hair drying like 70% dry before I do anything else. And then I will show you what I do next. My hair is 70% dry, heat protection. Actually, my leave-in conditioner, it's 15-in-1, has this heat protection, but I really love placing a little bit more heat protection over my hair because it feels like I need this sort of protection. That's it. I'm gonna dry my hair a little bit with a hairdryer. I have BaByliss hairdryer. The next step is to brush my hair. It's probably 90% dry. I don't really brush my hair when it's too wet because it's going to damage my hair doing this from my ends and then go into my roots. And I have 3 settings. The first one is more cool temperature. The second one is a little bit warmer, and the third one is really hot. I'm using the second setting because it's given enough heat for me to blow dry my hair, but it's not too much. So I was pulling to the sides my hair, and then I will tell you that it's really easy. You're gonna straighten your hair with the help of brush. Brush off anything that might look a little weird, and it's not perfect. I understand it's not perfect. It shouldn't look perfect. And then I will go to bed. You can do this in the morning totally, but you would need to let it cool completely before you do anything. But I will do this in the morning because I do feel like this is probably the best result that I get out of this routine. The only problem is that if you have curly hair in the morning, they might get a little bit frizzy and curly at the same time. I don't really have the problem, but I still don't have anything straight in the morning. That's why I will show you what I'm gonna have for tomorrow, and then I will show you how to finish the look. Good morning, guys. I am back. So good morning, yes. And I'm gonna be doing the final step. You can see my hair. It doesn't really look flattering. It doesn't look pretty at all. It feels weird, and I know it. That is the main reason why I wanted to sleep on this hair, because it's just gonna give the let's say the shape that it's gonna be later on. I'm gonna brush my hair, and I am preheating my curler. This is not only curler. These has some small waves that is so perfect for my root volume. And I'm gonna just separate the sections, and I will use only these curler iron for my roots, and that's it. I'm gonna press it this way. Guess that's gonna be okay 2 times, and then I will repeat the same routine for the rest of my section. And then I'm moving to the upper section. And I will do my side part. I will probably grab this small section and try to straighten that. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna leave this section on the side to cover my wave and then repeat the same process for my left side. And now look at that. I love the feeling that it's not straight. If you really want to focus on like that baby hair and you don't really like how they are looking, then you can use the same iron and then just flatten the side, and that's it. But I don't really want to do anything crazy. I love that it has some volume to my roots, but I love the feeling that it's not really straight. It has some freedom. I'm gonna do my makeup for you guys. This is gonna be a get ready with me, and then I will film my outro. If you don't really like this part, because I didn't do any iron with that, you can actually straighten that. That a little bit here as well. It changed my hairstyle completely, and it's looking really pretty, girly, sexy at the same time. It has the volume that I needed, but it's not really straight. It feels like a blowout. Okay guys, and that is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this one. I am not naked. It's just like I'm wearing some top underneath. That's why I'm not naked. I hope you enjoyed this really cool hairstyle routine. It's looking so fresh. It's looking girly. It's looking sexy. And you saw I didn't do anything extra. I didn't do anything crazy for this look. I guess that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.